welcome to Herman's RV Holidays.
Did you want to start it off? That'd be good. You want to start it off?
So should she?
Yeah.
Okay. Should she go?
Go on then.
Morning and welcome to Herman's... I've forgotten already. RV Holidays. Morning and welcome to Herman's RV Holidays.
I'm Ads.
And this is Zura.
And this weekend is the summer bank holiday weekend. And we are currently staying at Devizes. Now, we've been there a few times, haven't we?
Twice, isn't it?
This is our third time?
Third time.
Yeah. And we like the place. We know the areas, you know, a bit. But one thing we haven't done is we've gone to the brewery a few times. There's Wadworth Brewery in Devizes. And we do like their beer. But the thing... The thing is, we've never gone round it. It's always been fully booked. But last night I managed to book it on my phone. Signal here is not that good, so. Yes, we've managed to book a couple of places later on today.
Yes. Well, it's not open Sundays or bank holidays, is
No,
it? And we always come on a bank holiday weekend.
And so with Devizes caravan and camping site, which is club site, which is where we're now. There's a Wadworth pub just round the corner, literally probably a minute walk away. They do really good food and a really good pint. Your favourite is that Corvus, isn't it?
Yes, because it's similar to Guinness, isn't it?
It's a dark stout, very creamy.
Probably more creamy than Guinness, I always think.
I've never tried it though.
Oh,
but my favourite is Swordfish, which is like an ale with a little bit of rum in it. It's gorgeous. Anyway,
this is why we come to this site, is it?
not too sure. Yeah, not too sure how we're going to get to Devizes town centre. That's where the brewery is.
Yes, whether
We've got to get there for 2 o'clock or a little bit before that, and it's a bit of a walk up the flight. The Carn Locks. Probably about an hour, is it? An hour and a half walk?
And then maybe get the bus back.
Or the other way round, we're not too sure. But
I think
it's
it'd be
looking
nice
a lovely
to do
day.
a walk. Yeah.
Yesterday was just rain. And I must say, after that hot summer that we've had, it's starting to get a bit chilly. Do you not think?
This is probably normal temperatures, isn't it?
Yeah, well...
Well, no, it's about 16, isn't it?
It's quite cold this...
And we got the thin duvet on.
Yeah, I was a bit
got
chilly.
it all wrong.
So, just one other thing.
Where did they come from?
We've ordered and obviously acquired our new mugs. So this one here, it's got coffee in it at the moment, is that picture up there on both sides. And this one is, you got the front of Herman
and the back of Herman.
And then the back of Herman. Now I quite like that one. I do like that one. I do like both of them. And they're really good quality. I mean this is the reason I bought them, is just to check out that they're not just tats, right?
Yeah, quite
just
heavy,
rubbish.
aren't
But
they?
yeah, they're quite heavier than mugs that we got at home.
Yeah.
But yeah, they're pretty good. You can get those on our online store. Plug. Anyway.
Yes, digress.
Yes, we'll see you in a bit. Check this out. So there is the entrance to the campsite. Now we went for a short walk to book our table at the Magpies, which is just up there. But then we've walked past this a few times. This is the cider shed, and he's just opened. So we've just had a couple of tasters.
Yeah, that's it.
It's a nice little cosy place to sit down in there. And this is the shed itself with the with all the good stuff.
Nice sound.
Do you know what you're doing?
That was Mozart.
We've been given another taster. Taste, look at that.
I know.
It's a sweet.
That's quite a big taster, isn't it? You gonna get plastered?
very good. None of that nonsense bubble stuff.
No.
Very nice. Did you want to try
From
some?
Roger Wilkins, not for me. I don't
She's
want
already
to.
had some.
Yeah.
So Roger Wilkins farmhouse cider. You just tell me where it's actually made.
Oh, I should. Well, it's actually produced on a farm in Wedmore, in between Glastonbury and Cheddar. It's around 50 miles journey from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's
So
local enough.
we
isn't
draft it from the oak cast vats in the morning there, and we bring it over in the 22-litre barrels. And you can't get a better cider. Roger Wilkins, yes.
It's
that's
good,
the
isn't it?
one.
That's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Thank you.
More than welcome.
I guess we've got to go on to our brewery now. So we've decided to catch the bus. That just down there is the Three Magpies pub, so we haven't gone far. Now, we're just a bit concerned that our timetable is actually wrong and the bus isn't going to be arriving today because it's a public holiday. I don't know, maybe, hopefully we're reading it wrong and it's going to be arriving any minute now. Tabards on.
Yes, very fetching.
Goes well on my top, I think. Okay. And your eyes.
Yes. Probably later on.
Now we've got a team of 3 who work in here. Now these swinging signs here, these are painted both sides. They're made of a marine ply timber and will last you in the region of 4 to 12 years, depending on how badly weathered they get. This one, as you can see, it's had quite a bit of a weather beating. Now it's mainly the sun that does this damage, and you get all the other weather on top of that, and this is what happens. Now the swinging sign was introduced in 1393 by King Richard II. Now he passed an act of law that everybody that sold alcohol on their premises had to display a sign for tax and trade purposes. Now back then, quite a lot of people were illiterate. So what they used to do is they used to paint the sign and rely on the picture to tell you the name of the pub. So one of these really would cost about £1,000. Because you've got all the man hours that go into it, you've got the board it comes on, then you've got priming the board, and then, as I say, all the man hours to paint it both sides. Right, some pub signs have a bit of history. This one over here especially, this is the Trouble House. A lot went on here. First landlord drowned. Second landlord then hung himself. I just want to go. Then they had the skirmish between the Roundheads and the Cavaliers, and then they also had other diet riots.
My favourite Corvus.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh gosh, it doesn't look so nice when you look in there.
That's just hay.
Looks like mousse, doesn't it? Chocolate mousse.
I tasted that one.
What does it taste like?
It does taste like Corvus a bit,
Does it just
but not so smooth.
It's like the head on your beer, but just twice as bitter.
very sticky as well.
This is Max, he's our oldest horse. He's the adult of the group. Now he is 15 years old and stands 18 hands too. Now he weighs a ton each and they can all pull double their body weight. Now the drays they pull round town weigh a ton on their own, so by the time they're full of beer they're extremely heavy. So they pull the drays around town Monday to Friday and they deliver to 3 pubs a day.
I didn't manage. Oh look, he's got his bottom now.
Uh-oh.
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 Those balls.
Sorry.
Yeah, big balls.
Trust so.
Did you not see them?
No, I didn't. That's what I've got to put up with, Zoe.
What?
Nothing, love. So
Is pissed.
that is the end of the tour.
So he's had a Corvus.
Yes, we tried what, six?
Blasted.
We tried 6 beers, I think.
Ooh.
And obviously your favourite one must have been.
Was the Corvus, because I
'Cause
managed to drink all of it. Yeah, some of
You
them were
savoured that one, I think.
very nice.
Yeah.
So
And-
we've got to get it in the shops, haven't we? We've said to the lady, it's got to be in rather than draft. Get it in the supermarkets.
So anyway, I've drunk most of mine,
You've
and
drunk?
I feel a little bit tipsy now,
Yeah.
and we're going to be walking back.
Yes.
We're going to go down the steps, right? Not the steps, the lock.
Yes.
Cairn lock.
Yes.
locks,
Kennet
the
and
The,
Yeah.
the steps. The what are they? Anyway, we'll
Yeah.
show you. We've been there before. It's
Yes.
it's about an hour walk, and so we're walking back to Herman,
Lille.
and then we're going to grab our meal at a
So
Wadworth pub. The
Is that where you're gonna have
the
some
Magpies.
No.
But what did you think of the tour, though?
Very good, the tour.
Well, that's where we
I
went.
think she was very good.
So we went down there.
Did we?
Yeah, we went through, come out of the door there, and went
Oh,
turned right.
yes, and we went in through, yeah.
And down there was where we saw Max, the Shire horse.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's right. So it's the cool and the new cool.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that was well worth 12 quid. Loads of beer at the end. I mean, to be honest, that was like 6 samples. That's kind of
Yes, because if they're
that's
£3
like 2 pints
each,
if you drank it all.
so £3 each, yeah.
Yeah. So
You've kind of paid for it within your.
that's right. Yeah. So that wasn't too bad.
What?
We were told that there was another brewery in Devizes, right in the heart of the town, called the Vaults. So that was basically a pub where they brew their own beer. They got a couple of them on tap, but Zoe mentioned that we'd just gone to Wadworth Brewery, and oh my goodness, I'd stopped recording by then, and it was like everyone had the same reaction. Oh, I don't want to go in there. Always
And it was
fighting talk.
Make a quick exit. I think.
Yeah, it was like, let's get out of here.
Said the wrong thing.
So yes, we're on the Cairn locks, and there's a barge here, and a canal barge, and I thought we'll go through and do a what's in your locker cocker.
Very good.
Look at all that across there. It's amazing it's still floating. So this is the Black Horse pub. Very nice in there, very good meals. And then this is the car park along here. It's a Herman, it's a Heimer, it's just been abandoned in the car park. It's quite a small car park. You can get, well, we got Herman in there, but that's like diagonal across several spaces, I think. So, as you can see, it is now today, Sunday the 26th of August, chucking it down with rain. So we have not gone out, quite literally, right? I think it's a matter of because of the weather, and we can't really be bothered.
I suppose we had a busy day yesterday.
Yeah, I think it's just like
we drank
just
a lot.
mellow. It's probably yeah, probably because we drank a bit too much, and maybe we just want to relax today. Not going to go out. I have fantasies of going back to the pub though. Just to let you know, yeah.
Oh God, I don't like drink anymore.
Yes, we got some cider, farmhouse cider. Yeah. Making our way through that ever so slowly. We're doing a bit of what some ciderites might call, if that's the right word.
Ciderites. New word.
Yeah, I've been having a little bit, and then watering it down with fizzy water. I mean, it's very pleasant already, but it just makes it a bit more like an apple juice, I suppose. Very pleasant. So it is Monday bank holiday. It's about 10:30 in the morning. The weather, as you can see, it is now stopped raining. It's still overcast. It's a little bit, well, it's warm. It's warmish, isn't it?
Yeah, pleasant.
But we've decided that we're gonna just head back home. We've kind of relaxed enough. Don't think we're going to be seeing anything on the way back. We're not too far away from home, to be honest, about an hour and a half.
Yes, well, it might be busier, mightn't it, with the bank holiday traffic.
We had a wonderful time this weekend. Went into the brewery. We've been wanting to do that for a while, and that was a good tour, wasn't it?
Very good. Yeah.
Yesterday we just vegged out.
about.
Yeah, read stuff, did
Went
the
for a
computer
walk.
stuff, edited some video.
Well, it was bad
Edited
weather,
this
wasn't it?
video actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the next time you'll see us will be at Heimerfest in approximately 10 days. And then on from there, we're doing our tour of Ireland. Well, a little bit of Ireland, not the whole country. But yeah, we'll see you then. So thank you very much for watching. Adios and au revoir. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.
Okay.